Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: charged AirPods Max and a Ps5 compatible audio path. If you have a Bluetooth adapter, plug it into the Ps5 USB port. If not, prepare a USB-C audio dongle. Once done, put your AirPods Max into pairing mode by holding the noise control button until the LED flashes white. Make sure the Ps5 is on and at the home screen, so you can move immediately to the controller settings and accessory menus to accept a new audio. You now perform the detailed connection steps. If using a Bluetooth transmitter, put it into pairing mode and then reinitiate AirPods Max pairing. The two will negotiate the audio profile automatically. If you chose a USB-C audio dongle, connect it between the DualSense or console USB and the AirPods Max via cable or wireless bridge, then go to Ps5 settings, sound, and choose the new output device. Make sure to set output to headphones and adjust volume levels so game audio is balanced. You finish by validating audio and mic behavior in a quick game session. Confirm chat versus game audio and adjust mix settings. If sound is missing, repair the AirPods Max, restart the Ps5, and test the adapter on a phone to isolate hardware. If you notice delay, make sure the transmitter supports low-latency codecs or switch to a wired USB-C audio path to reduce lag. Finally, keep your firmware and adapter drivers up to date to prevent recurring connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.